hard. Alright, 344.
It's going 100 miles an hour, sir.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school.
Yeah, being an undercover agent is pretty hard. Alright, 344, we got some speeding here at 2669. I'm gonna try to pull him over. I think this is gonna be it. Yeah, he's speeding. Pull over! Pull your vehicle over!
Do you just know how fast you were going?
Nope.
You were just going 100 miles an hour, sir. Do you think that was acceptable?
No.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking Arby's.
Last comment.
Arby's is good.
You know, when they first opened, all they had was beef and cheese. Now you can get more at Arby's.